Welcome back to the channel Love and Lust Lessons. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that's been whispered about and debated in social circles. The techniques older men often use to connect with younger women. We'll break down 7 key approaches that, when done right, can foster genuine attraction and connection. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss these insights. Segment 1. Confidence that comes with maturity. The first technique is simple yet powerful. Confidence. Older men have often cultivated a sense of self-assuredness through life experiences. This confidence can be incredibly attractive to younger women who appreciate a partner who knows what they want and isn't afraid to show it. Remember, true confidence radiates naturally. It's shown in the way you communicate, the way you carry yourself, and how you make others feel at ease. Segment 2. Emotional maturity and active listening. Next up is emotional maturity. Older men are often better at listening and understanding, which can make younger women feel valued and heard. Active listening, where you're fully present in the conversation without distractions, is a major turn-on. When you listen deeply, you create an environment where she feels safe and respected. This builds trust and fosters genuine interest. Segment 3. A strong sense of direction. A compelling aspect of dating someone older is their clear sense of direction. Whether it's their career, personal interests, or long-term plans, having a purpose in life can be magnetic. Younger women often appreciate a man who's not only goal-oriented, but also has the wisdom to guide and support. Sharing stories of your journey, your lessons, and your vision for the future can add depth to your connection. Segment 4. Sophisticated charm. Now let's talk about sophistication. Older men often embody a kind of charm that's hard to replicate. This might mean taking her out to a unique spot, having good manners, or just knowing how to navigate different social situations with ease. A thoughtful compliment, pulling out a chair, or engaging her in intriguing conversation are simple gestures that can leave a lasting impression. Segment 5. Open-mindedness and flexibility. Another key technique is open-mindedness. Being older doesn't mean being set in your ways. In fact, showing that you're adaptable and open to new experiences can make you stand out. Embrace her interests, learn something new together, or even let her introduce you to her favorite hobbies. This willingness to share experiences shows you're youthful at heart and willing to grow together. Segment 6. Genuine compliments and validation. Don't underestimate the power of a genuine compliment. This isn't about superficial flattery, but expressing what you truly admire about her, whether it's her sense of humor, creativity, or kindness. When you highlight her unique qualities, you make her feel seen and appreciated in a way that goes beyond physical attraction. Segment 7. Experience and wisdom. Lastly, life experience plays a major role. Older men can share stories and insights that captivate younger partners. Whether it's tales of adventures, lessons learned, or perspectives gained, sharing your experiences helps create a narrative that she wants to be part of. But remember, it's not about impressing her with every story. It's about connecting and finding common ground where your paths align. Those are the 7 techniques that older men often use to win the admiration of younger women. Confidence, emotional maturity, a sense of purpose, sophistication, open-mindedness, authentic compliments, and life experience can all contribute to a meaningful connection. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these qualities do you think makes the biggest impact? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more relationship insights.